we're going to use Builderall, which is a marketing platform that is very affordable. They got a $29 version. If you want to be affiliate, it's $49 a month. But $29 a month will get you everything in here, which is a sales funnel, website builder, webinar platform, mobile app builder, and so much more. All right. But we're going to be talking about how to do a sales funnel using a ClickBank product. So if you don't have a ClickBank account, go get a ClickBank account. ClickBank.com, sign up, get a ClickBank account, log into your back office, go to Marketplace, pick a product you like out of a niche that you're passionate about, and start promoting it. I'm going to use the make money affiliate marketing niche since that's what my niche is. And I picked a product already called the Daily Cash Siphon. So I came down through here and just scrolled through here, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to pick one of these, and I just picked this one, okay? Now, it's probably not the best one. It's got a decent gravity, but it's only $13 per sale, but it looks like it sells pretty easy, okay? So this is specifically for a demo, so it probably is not the best product to be promoting, but it is a new version for December 2018, so it's probably selling pretty good because of that. All right. Now, this does have upsells, as you can see here, this little arrow. So there are upsells in this, so that's a good thing. So you can make more than this if you get into the upsells. All right, but let's get on with today's video. So this is the product. This is their sales page. Okay, it has a nice little video. Good copy up here. Make new weird trick exploits $480 million glitch and legally siphons us $395 a day. This is how you can start the day in under 7 minutes and 19 clicks. All right, so you watch the video, blah, blah, blah. Now, guys, every one of these has an affiliate page. So all these have affiliate pages. Most of them you got to sign up to be an affiliate, but that's fine. Sign up, get the affiliate information because it actually helps you with your copy on your email scripts, etc., etc. All right. So we're going to use some of this copy in here to get ideas. We're not trying to really copy anything. We're just trying to get some ideas to help us out, right? So I'm going to come over here to Builderall. We're going to go to drag and drop Pixel Perfect, new website, and it's going to take us to this screen here. All right. So when you're in here, you're going to click on sales funnel. We want to create a nice little sales funnel. We want to create something real simple. I'm going to scroll down here. I usually pick this simple squeeze page funnel. It's something easy, works, you know, why not pick it? So we're just going to go ahead and go straight into this sucker. When you open this thing up, you can keep all the default templates. You can change the background, whatever you want. You just come in here and you start editing, okay? And I have learned that the simpler, the better, okay? Simple converts really well, and I don't know why, but it just does. So what we're going to use, this weird trick exploits. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Weird trick makes us, what was it, $395 a day? $395 a simple 7-minute and 19 clicks. 19 clicks, and you'll be on your way. So you just gotta be somewhat, creative here, right? So this weird trick makes us $395 a day on autopilot. All right, so I just do something like that. Boom, boom, boom. Email. To change your text on your button, you just come to button. Show me how. Confirm. Show me how. They're going to ask for your email, blah, blah, blah. What we're going to do, first thing is save this so we have a site. Daily cash. Oops. So guys, this is exactly how you do it, okay? First thing we gotta do is we gotta save the squeeze page so we have something to go back to, okay? That's just the way Builderall works. This weird trick makes us $395 a day on autopilot. I think I'm gonna change this to red. Just a red, and that's good. All right, that's our sales funnel. Okay, let me save this real quick. You always want to save along the way in case something happens. We want to configure this, and we're going to use a mailing boss. So another cool thing about Builderall, it has sales funnel, webinar, app builder, web, an autoresponder. It's got all these cool tools. Very good product for beginners coming in with very minimal money, very minimal budget to spend. Okay, so we got our squeeze page done. We got it pointing to a email campaign. So when they hit show me how, it sends them to an email campaign. Now, what this is, okay, thank you for coming. All right. This, oops. This is for the action takers. Okay, so this is just going to be watch this short video. Explaining how you can make $395 a day. All right, so we're going to delete this. This would be a bridge video. So what this is going to be, it's going to be a video explaining exactly what you're going to be showing on the next page. So you're going to say who you are, okay, what you're offering, how it can help them, and how they can actually go get it. Okay, so that's the 4 things you need to have in your video. Okay, get instant, get access now, get access now. Let me change that to caps. All right, I'm just going to confirm that. We want this to take us to the next page, which is this sales page. So we want to get our affiliate number, affiliate link. Okay, so this is our affiliate link. You hit promote, generate hop links, copy, close this out, go back to the editor. Our action, web address, Control V, open in, you can open it in the same tab. Okay. We're just going to save this. Save. We're going to go back to this squeeze page because that's one thing we didn't do is tell that button where to go. Okay, so we need that button. Configure? No, it's not configure. Always button. No. Sorry, guys. Trying to figure out where this button information is. Change URL. Duh. See, sometimes it's right smack in your face and you're not even looking. So we want this to go to this thank you page. So we just hit OK. We're just going to send all these to the thank you page. Okay. Thank you. And thank you. So guys, in case you missed that, this button, change URL, sitting right in front of my face. I don't know why I didn't see that. Just click that, change the URL to your thank you page, and hit save. Okay, so our sales funnel is done. You just got to make that video to put in there. It's very easy to put a video in here. I'll show you how to do that real quick. If you just come in here, you right click, configure, just paste your video right here. Okay, paste your video right there, allow full screen, autoplay if you want to autoplay, whatever. But guys, this is where the magic happens. Okay, so we're got that. We got to go into our sales page. That's it, done. Whammo blammo, we are on our way. So one thing we're going to do is you come in here. This actually has email swipes. Okay, so this will help you create your email campaign. Okay, so we want to create our email campaign with Mailing Boss. I have a link in this at the end of this video showing you exactly how to set up an email campaign in Mailing Boss, so you can go in there and actually do that. Okay, so go back and look at that video so you can create your email swipes with Mailing Boss. So you can just come in here, you can grab this information, put your links in it, maybe tweak it a little bit so it fits your personality, and create your campaign and send this out to your email list. Okay, so that's as easy as it gets for your site, your sales funnel. So what you do is you come back over here to your builders, go to my sites, and this is going to show you your site. Okay, so I created this daily, oh, it looks like I spelled cash wrong, but it don't really matter. Daily cash. This is just for us so we know what these are for. You come over here, more options, you hit publish. It's published. So you come over here, this is the link to your squeeze page. This is what you're going to send all your traffic to, is this link. Okay, you can shorten this with bit.ly or whatever, but this is the link that you're going to use to send all the traffic to. So they're going to come in here, they're going to come in here and put in their email address, whatever, show me how. It's going to take them to this screen. This is your video telling them who you are, what you have, how it's going to help them, and how they can get it. Okay, and then they're going to say, give me access. And then they're going to come over to the daily cash siphon. They're going to watch this video, and if they do want to try it, they 60-day risk-free trial. They can click on that and they can go to this for $37. Okay, so continue to final step. I'm gonna run you through this offer real quick, and basically it just takes them to a page where they can check out and buy it, and boom, you get commission. That's as easy as it is to build a sales funnel with Builderall for a ClickBank product. hopefully you got some value out of this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know and I'll post them.
Trust